ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Welcome back, students. Today you are going to learn a very important, useful topic called real numbers. This is the first chapter in class 10 in both states, AP and TS, and it is also a very useful topic in CBSE syllabus also. Real numbers is the name of the chapter. Though I have written real numbers as the heading, I am not going to start real numbers right now. You need to learn and recollect lot of data from your class 8, class 9. Otherwise, it is very difficult for you to straight away understand real numbers concepts. So, let us recollect what is a real number. Before that, what kind of numbers are there. All this recollection is very, very important for knowing more about real numbers in class 10. So, by the way, let me introduce myself. I am Yogananda, teaching for Venkanna classes. So, before I take up real numbers, we will see what kind of numbers are there. First, let us learn. First number which was found or which was observed is 1. Very, very long back, our ancestors started dealing with numbers with the natural expressions. There was no pen, there was no pencil, there was no paper, there was no writing. So, when there was no business of that kind, our ancestors, like Jangli Log, our ancestors started communicating to each other with the help of fingers. I am just showing you some. How many fingers I have shown you? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many eyes I have? 2. How many ears I have? 2. Like that. The expression shows the number. Natural expression shows the number. They are called natural numbers. They are represented by natural number set n. What does n mean? Set of natural numbers. What are the numbers we have in that? All numbers which can be expressed naturally. How do you express naturally? I am showing you one piece of chalk. What is this? 1. One piece of chalk says that I have expressed one number. I have shown 2 ears. I have 2 hands. Each hand, my right hand has 5 fingers. So, like that, all these numbers can be expressed naturally. They are called as natural numbers. In Telugu medium also I will explain what is the name of this. Sahajanga unde sankhyalu. Sahaja sankhyalu antaru. Sahaja sankhya ante emi? Sahajanga చూపించాలి. నాకు ఈ 2 చూపించండి అన్నారనుకోండి, 2000 చూపిద్దాం.
Students, my name is Vishal Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur in electrical engineering. I have an experience of more than 12 years in preparing IIT JEE aspirants for this examination. Under me already 100 more than 100 students have cracked this IIT JEE examination. Right now I am associated with K Venkana classes. Now K Venkana classes, for the first time in Hyderabad, it has brought your top Delhi IIT and NITN faculties. Now what are you waiting for? Come and join us and realize your dream of getting into IITs.
3 చూపించమనగానే 3000 చూపించవచ్చు. 20 మంది చూపించమనగానే మన క్లాస్ స్ట్రెంత్ 20 మంది ఉన్నారు. 5 చూపించండి, 5 చూపించండి, 5 బెంచీలు ఉన్నాయి. All these expressions are natural. That's why they are called natural numbers. In some textbooks, you will find this n set of natural numbers represented with this kind of supporting line. The next number system is, I am writing it on the board, anybody can guess it. So the next number system is revamped, upgraded. Android version 5, 6. What is the present version? I don't know. I'm not familiar with that. Android 11. Someone says that. Windows 98, Windows XT, Windows 7, Windows 9, like that. The next upgraded number system is whole numbers. What is the next number found to be? 0. Look at this. 0 is included in addition to the natural numbers we have already defined. So with the mere inclusion of 0, the next number system is upgraded to whole number system, and this is sometimes written with a supporting line like this. How did they name it? Look at the concept here. Beautifully they have named it. Earlier it was natural numbers, naturally expressed. With the mere inclusion of 0, they called it whole. What does whole mean? Whole means full, total, in total. If you ask a kid, you just show him ice cream, what does he say? I want the whole ice cream. Whole means full. మొత్తం, తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే మొత్తం నాదే, మొత్తం నాకు ఇవ్వండి అంటాడు. మొత్తం నెంబర్స్ వచ్చేసాయి, మొత్తం సంఖ్యలను డిఫైన్ చేసేసాం అనుకున్నారు. దే కాల్డ్ ఇట్, దే థాట్ ఇట్ దట్ వే, అండ్ దే నేమ్డ్ ఇట్ whole numbers. How to show 0? Because you have to show the 0. You have to express number in terms of your expression. You have to show that. How to show 3? How to show 2? I have shown it already. How to show 0? Very easy. I will say that I have 0 rupees in my pocket. How much amount I have? Sir doesn't have any money. Sir దగ్గర రూపాయి లేవు. I have no money in my pocket. You can see it. If I just keep it open, there is no money. If I have no money, what do I say? I have 0 rupees. I don't want to use the word no. What do I say? No money, I don't want to say. I will say 0 rupees. So existence of 0 is shown. How to show 0? I have 0 pens in my pocket. I have 0 rupees in my pocket. I have 0 eatables in my bag. I have 0 biscuits in my pack. So 0 is having got nothing. I don't have anything. Nothing is symbolically written 0. The next number system is integers. I call it I, and with a supporting line like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Corresponding to 1, we have -1. Corresponding to 2, we have -2. Corresponding to 3, we have -3, and so on. You can look at the board. 0, right side 1, 2, 3, so on. They are natural numbers. 0, whole number. Corresponding to 1, you have -1. How to show -1? It's very easy to show that. As you all know that, how much money in my pocket I have? 0 rupees. Suppose I will take 1 rupee from you. Your name is Srinivas. Srinivas, give me 1 rupee. You will give me 1 rupee. I will put it in my pocket. Then my balance is showing 1, but it is borrowed 1 rupee. My amount is 0. I borrowed 1 rupee from somebody, and it is showing 1 rupee in my pocket, but it indicates that it is -1 rupees. So -1, -2, -3 also can be naturally shown. If I say that I have minus 1000 rupees, what do you understand? I have borrowed 1000 rupees. So these are integers. These are also written with I capital, and sometimes they write it as Z also. Capital Z indicates that set of integers. After that comes rational numbers. You can call it rational numbers, which you learnt in your earlier classes. Rational number is defined by taking any two integers and writing the non-zero integer in the denominator. We call it fractions. What do you mean by fraction? I will tell you a day-to-day example. Take a lemon, cut it into two pieces. Then what do you get? One lemon is cut into two, one piece and the other piece. Again cut it into four, you will get one lemon like this. Am I right? You will get pieces like this. How many pieces I have made? 4. Like that. You take a water lemon, cut it into pieces. So many pieces. One water lemon is made into 10 pieces. Each is 1 by 10. One lemon made into 10, each piece is 1 by 10. Very frequently we use it. When we go to canteen, we take one tea and we share it to our friend. Say for example, 1 by 2. One chai served to 2, 1 by 2 chai, 1 by 2 tea. So 1 cup tea is made into 2 and served to 2 people in 2 cups, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 doesn't have any place in integers. This kind of numbers where P, Q are integers, Q non-zero is called a rational number. What is a rational number? Simply fractions, numerator by denominator form. They are called rational numbers. In addition to this, we have irrational numbers. They call it as Q complement. This Q is in some textbooks written with a supporting line like this. Rational numbers, natural numbers. I am writing once again. Whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. A number which is not rational is an irrational number. Now we are coming to the topic name. What is real number? Real number, it is represented by R, which is the mixture of Q union Q complement. What is Q? Rationals. What is Q dash? Irrationals. Put together rationals and irrationals, all of them put in a single set, which is called real numbers. So the very heading real numbers is the mixture or the set having rationals and irrationals. Union of two sets. Set of rational numbers and set of irrational numbers are put together. For example, I will tell you one more thing. There are 30 students sitting in this class. All 30 students are class 10 boys from so and so section. And I am going to call the other section and I am asking them also to be seated here. And the 20 students join. 30 students and 20 students put together is 50 students, like that. Union of two sets. What is the first set? Rational numbers. What is the second set? Irrational numbers. Union of the two sets, rationals and irrationals, is a real number. So union of any number which is either a rational number or irrational number is a real number, or rationals and irrationals put together is real numbers or set of real numbers. This is the heading of the real numbers chapter. So I have explained this with the help of all the previous number systems. It is just like you are familiar with your Android mobiles. The operating system is being upgraded, like that the number system is upgraded from natural numbers to whole numbers, whole numbers to integers, integers to rationals, and then irrationals were found. They are different entities they are different numbers. Putting together rationals and non-rationals, irrationals, we call it real numbers.